Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will guide you how to do from this to this. So let's start. Starting with the Glam with a face serum to prep and hydrate my skin for a smooth, glowing makeup base. A little Vaseline to keep my lips soft. Next I am using Pond's Light Gel Moisturizer for extra hydration. For next I am using Blue Heaven Flawless Primer for a smooth base. I am using a little lipstick to color correct my under eyes and dark spots before foundation. Next I am mixing Just Herbs Illuminating Stroke Ring with a Blue Heaven and Mars foundation to create a lightweight dewy base that's perfect for this soft pink makeup look. I am blending it with a beauty blender. Look at my both side. After I am mixing both foundation, I get my clear shade. I am applying concealer under and above my eyes, on the bridge and tip of my nose, around the side of my nose, on my chin, around my eyebrows and the corner of my lips to brighten and define my face. I'm setting everything in place with a compact powder for a smooth, long-lasting finish. Combing my brows and filling them in with a mix of black and dark brown eyeshadow for a soft, natural look. A light brown eyeshadow to the outer corners of my eyes. Then I am layering a touch of orange on top, followed by a little pink to create a soft blender look. The same eyeshadows along my lower lash line to create a soft, cute eyeglass effect and tie the whole eye look together. Applying a soft nude orange shade followed by a warm nude shade to my inner corners for a brighter, softer look. Finally, I am applying shimmer shade to my inner corners for a bright, sparkling finish. Now I am defining my eyeglass with a maroon eyeshadow for a soft, cute effect. Then I am blending it out with a fluffy brush for a soft, natural finish. Applying a white compact powder on my eyeglass to brighten and enhance it. Applying a black eyeshadow along my lower lash line for a soft, smoky definition. Now I am applying the same white compact powder to my eyes again to brighten and enhance the look. Applying a shimmer shade to my eyeglass for a bright, cute sparkle. Now I am contouring the sides, bridge and tip of my nose with a light brown eyeshadow for a soft, defined look. Applying a soft light pink blush to the apples of my cheeks, blending it upward, then adding a touch to the center of my nose bridge, the tip of my nose and my chin for a fresh, youthful glow. Using a dark brown eyeshadow to contour both sides of my cheeks and lightly define my jawline for a more sculpted look. Adding a little highlighter to the tip of my nose, the center of my nose bridge, my chin and the tops of my cheeks, blending it upward for a soft glowy finish. Using the same blush brush to softly blend the highlighter for a seamless finish. Now I am creating a long winged eyeliner to elongate and define my eyes. I'm curling my lashes to open up my eyes. Applying mascara to both my upper and lower lashes for a fuller lifted look. A little bit of Vaseline on my lips, then using a deep burgundy lipstick as a lip hack, I'm adding concealer to center of both my upper and lower lips and blending it for a soft gradient effect. You can watch the video for the technique. That's all for today, girls. If you liked my video, don't forget to subscribe and let me know if I did it right or if you have any tips or advice for me. And don't forget to press the bell icon. That's it for today. Bye bye.